Hey friends, and welcome back to the plus side of me. Today we're going to do a little bit of an unboxing and try on with the styling service Dia & Co. And Dia & Co is specifically plus sizes, so I want to see how their service was. I haven't tried it in years. I've been enjoying trying new fashion pieces, trying out different brands. So let's get into it and see what they sent. So I think typically the styling service is around $20 or $25. They were doing a special featuring one of their stylists. So essentially the email had kind of the stylist's favorite picks, and then they said you could get it. And I don't know that these are going to be the exact items from that email or just you're working with that stylist. If you've never done one of these styling services before, they send you some items, you get to try them on at home, and then you get to decide if you want to pay and buy them. Typically, you get some kind of discount if you buy a certain number of them, and you can also say what sizes you want, what price range you want. That is the items, which I'd rather not see just yet. Hi Rebecca, this box is packed with 5 confident boosting and feel-good styles picked just for you. What I love most about what I do is helping amazing customers like you feel confident and comfortable because style should never mean sacrificing comfort. You can always count on me to send pieces that are both fab and feel good. Alright, so it looks like we're getting white skinny jeans. That should be interesting. Printed tunic, loafers, yoga pants, and an embroidered sweatshirt, or yeah, maybe a denim jacket, maybe sneakers. Alright, and then the stylist that was featured is one named Manisha. I didn't expect that many pieces. I expected 5. Alright, the first one is a denim jacket, and this is by the brand Denim 24/7 in a size 20W. It is a longer denim jacket. A lot of my denim is cropped. I do have like a lighter color denim jacket that I love that's long, so it could be really nice to have a black one. I find that long denim jackets are perfect with skirts and dresses, so this is a contender. All right, this must be the embroidered sweater. This is from the brand Eli Tahari. And it looks like it's a navy sweater. I have a lot of sun coming into my eyeballs right now. The embroidery is on the sleeve. It's kind of that like eyelet style. Do we see that? It's a very soft sweater, very comfortable. All right, the next one is the white jeans. These are from the brand 1822. In a size 22. I'm not gonna lie, even just holding them up to the sky, I can see where the pockets are. So I have doubts, all right? But I'll try them on. They seem very stretchy. Do y'all like white denim? Okay, I can already tell you I don't like this top. I just don't like the print. I know some people would love this print. I just don't like it. All right, this is from Catherine's in a 1X. And yeah, listen, this is giving my mom. My mom loves a Catherine's tunic, and I'm not surprised to read the description of the brand. And I think this is a great piece for people who love this style. It just doesn't happen to be my style, but of course I'll try it on just so we can see how the fit is. Looks like we also got, oh, okay, nice. So the yoga pants are flare-legged and they seem to be nice and stretchy. I like the color. This is from the brand, also Catherine's, all right, in a 2X. So we'll see how these fit. Maybe they're not flares, they're straight legs. They're straight legs. I did not realize that Dia & Co. worked with Catherine's. Now, interesting, they mentioned shoes, so for some reason I thought shoes would be in here, but I guess that's just a styling tip. Returns are super easy. They tell you what to do. You just drop off your return bag with the prepaid label. So let's try these items on and see if any of them are keepers. By the way, I'm currently wearing a dress from Torrid. This is part of their Belle Isle collection. It's a little bit of an oversized fit because I'm wearing a size 1, which normally I would be a size 2 or 3 from there. So kind of oversized, cute little shirt dress. It's striped. I like it a lot. I did not steam it, so it's a little wrinkly, but I think it's cute. I'm short, but it goes right to my ankles. Sorry if you hear some slurping in the background. That's Lola drinking some water. All right, so I decided to do this outfit first because it's my scary outfit, all right? So we have the white jeans in a size 22, and I would say they fit okay. They are stretchy, which is comfortable. Now Maeve's trying to go on the tripod, so that's cool. The knees, though, the knees are tight on me, and maybe they would stretch out because there's a pretty good amount of elasting in this pants, but I don't love that. And then I would say they're a little bit see-through. I'm wearing nude colored underwear, and I could see where my underwear stopped and then where I had bare skin right here. The top is a 1X from Catherine's. It fits really well. I gotta give them credit there. It fits into my bust really well. over my hips really well. So if you're someone that's a little bit narrower and then you go out, this cut is actually a really good cut. It has these little bows, has these little knots here at the 3/4 length sleeve. All of the buttons are real functioning buttons, but I'm not seeing any kind of gapping that's happening here. So the fit is really good on this top. If I needed a work top, I wouldn't go for this print necessarily, but I could absolutely go for this cut in like a plain color and really enjoy it in my wardrobe. So both these items are no's for me. They just don't fit into my personal style, but I would say decent quality, decent fit for sure. Okay. These pants are definitely doing things for my self-image, and none of the things they're doing are great. These pants are a 2X from Catherine's. They're very weird. The waistline is so much stretchier and bigger than the actual pants. So they feel a little tight on my hips, lower belly, thighs, but then the waistband is just doing absolutely no hold whatsoever. So if I were to like bend, these pants are just coming on down. All right. I don't think the cut or the style is particularly interesting. I think these are very boring pants. And there's something here in the knee, it's like in the seam, that is itchy. Hate them, hate them, hate them. Gonna take them off. Up close. See what I mean? Like this. But then the rest of the pants are tight. Don't like it. All right, I just remembered that I had this top and the jacket. I'll put the jacket back on with my dress. I'm very excited to put my dress on. This is the sweatshirt. I have to say, this sweatshirt is very soft. I like the bottom band. I like the length of it. Great to put on with jeans. Fancy enough, you can kind of, you know, do what you want with it. It's just, to me, not probably trendy enough for me to want it, but a very classic style, a great style. People, if you wear this, if you like it, you're gonna go out and look nice, you know, and pull together while also still being in a little bit of a sweatshirt. So I think this is a really nice piece. It's just, again, not my style, but the piece I was most interested in was the denim jacket. So let me put back on the dress with the denim jacket and see if that's a winner. This is how the leg is inside. It has this like stretch material, but that stretch material is plastic, rubbery plastic, and it's itchy. So I do not like it. So this jacket has that like stiff denim, has never been washed before feel to it. I have very narrow shoulders, and I feel like I need a denim that's not quite as thin and crisp as this. I need it to be a little bit weightier on me. The jacket looks too big on me in the shoulders and arms, but then is too tight on me in the hips. It's stretchy, and even pulled all the way, it only comes to here. So it's just not a good cut for me personally. It'd be better for someone who's bustier or more evenly shaped from shoulder to hip. It is a nice material though, and I do like the like washed black of it. It's just not gonna be a perfect fit for me. So I realized that was short, and I'm gonna be honest, I think deservedly so. The clothes were meh and okay, and that's fine. A lot of times these styling services can be a little bit basic at first. The best one I did was years ago. It was Nordstrom's Trunk Club, but Nordstrom has since discontinued that service. They've since desolated their damn plus size section. So is there a good plus size styling service? Do you know of one? Put it down in the comments if so. Let me know what you think. Let me know what new fashion brand I need to try, because I just feel like I'm not getting what I want yet. So till the next one, I'll see you later. Bye.